Let's eat. Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking Incognito. Today I'm going to be making a delicious carrot salad for Resurrection Sunday. So if you're excited for the holiday, then stick around for this video. So we're going to get started by adding 2 cups of shredded carrots to our bowl. Feel free to shred the carrots yourself or to take the easy route and buy a bag already shredded. We have some cucumbers, some onions, and some red peppers. I cut up about 1 red pepper, 1 cucumber, and a half of a red onion. But feel free to use as many veggies as you would like. That's the fun part about a salad, is that you can use how much vegetables you would like in any type of vegetable. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add in some dried fruit. Feel free to add in fresh fruit like apples or pears. I am using cranberries. And we're going to go ahead and add in some pepper next. We're going to add in some Cajun season just to give it a little kick. Feel free to add in as much as you would like. Alright, we're going to put in some dill weed, about a half to 1 teaspoon to your liking. We're going to put in some chili powder just to give it a little spice, like a little kick. Go ahead and put in a little bit of that chili powder. If you're feeling spicy, put a little bit more. It's up to you. Next, we're going to go ahead and drizzle on some olive oil. I guess I did about maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons. It's up to you how you would like it, but I did about maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons. And we're going to go ahead and blend all our ingredients together. Now, if you would like, you can also put a bed of lettuce or spinach on the bottom of your plate before plating your salad, or you can just do it like this. It's up to you. I'm going to be taking this to a family member's house for Resurrection Sunday dinner today, and it is so delicious. I've already tried it, and I can't wait for my family to try it. Happy Easter, everyone. Have a great day. Bye. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stick around for more yummy videos.